In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create Starlink account. Quick and easy. To get started, head over to the official Starlink website. Once the homepage loads, look toward the right-hand side of the screen where you'll see the main account or service options. Here, Starlink gives you a choice between personal and business. And this is the first important decision you'll make because it determines the type of plans and features you'll be shown next. If you're setting this up for home internet or personal use, choose personal. If you're creating an account for a company, office, or commercial setup, then select business instead. For this walkthrough, we'll use the personal option as the example, since that's the most common choice for individual users and households. After selecting personal, click on Get Started. This takes you into the setup flow where Starlink begins matching service options to your location and intended use. Take a moment here to read what's on screen so you understand the available categories before moving forward. Next, you'll need to select a plan. If you're looking for internet service at home, choose the residential option, which is typically described as high-speed, affordable internet for home use. This is the standard choice for most people creating a Starlink account for everyday browsing, streaming, work, or general household connectivity. Once you've chosen the appropriate plan type, you'll be asked to enter your address. Make sure you type it carefully, since Starlink uses this information to determine service availability and the plans that can be offered in your area. As address suggestions appear, click on the correct result from the list. Choosing the exact address helps avoid errors later in the sign-up process. After your address is selected, click View Plans. This will show you the options available for that location. Review the plans on the page and select the one that best fits your needs. Depending on availability in your area, you may be able to proceed directly with service setup. Once you've made your selection, Starlink will prompt you to pay for the service in order to continue creating the account and finalizing your order. In some areas, immediate service may not be available. If that happens, you'll see the option to join a waitlist instead. Go ahead and follow that option to complete your Starlink account setup and reserve your place until service opens up in your area. And that's it. By going to the Starlink website, choosing personal or business, selecting your plan, confirming your address, and either paying for service or joining the waitlist, you can quickly create your Starlink account with minimal hassle